A little damage report from today's Bash Fest with the EAT. We didn't, or an EAT. Ha! Man, that brings back memories. The WL124008. Looks like all it broke was the front arms, or the front. Jeez, man, I can't talk today. The front shock tower. But from the looks of it, I know that these diffs are the same as the 1.4 series. So I have these two 1.4 series front mounts, and I'm gonna, take that apart real quick and be a quick fix and see if it's running. And we'll probably do a quick rip, and then I'll most likely attach some best bits from the skate park today, because skate park definitely won today, but it's taken its toll. We've been beating the crap out of this, and I'm really surprised that this is the only thing that's broke so far. So anyways, I'll be right back with parts taken off and see if they fit. All right, I had to come back. Only took a second. So these definitely fit. My feeling is this is going to be a lot like your Armor or your bigger bashers. We're going to find weak spots and try and beef them up. I'm a little worried about putting metal on this front because I don't want the weak point to now be the top diff case, because that's one that I'm not sure it's the same as. That's one that I'm going to have to try and source. So I'm half tempted to put this carbon fiber. That's I'm not sure it's real carbon fiber anyways, so chances are it's got a little more give than the aluminum, so we're going to go with that. Be right back with the back on, and we'll see what it looks like. Upgrade number 1, I guess. Well, there she is. Carbon fiber. Not sure well it's going to hold up, but it don't look a whole lot different. If that one does break, I'll end up putting the metal one on and seeing how she does. But like I said, I'm trying to reduce stress on that, because that's plastic, and underneath it there's metal here, so that's metal. And the way I landed was right on this, so I'm sure there's some stress. Anyways, it was a once in a blue moon land. You'll see the replay later, but it's getting dark, so I'm going to go try and take it out real quick on the track. I'll be right back on track. All right, a little sundown rip with the EAT, or damn it, I did it again. Holy cow, my brain is EAT centric today. Anyways, say it all over again. So just put the carbon fiber front end on this, or shock towers, I should say. Now they're the 14001s, and they work fine. So they got compatible parts. We'll see if oh, that's so awesome. I gotta get that double down. I barely touched the gas and it flew. But this is just a test run to make sure that, it functions. It's almost dark, so sorry if the footage is crap. Oh, it's probably the gyro. Well, that's definitely not real carbon fiber. Again, these came with the one that, this is the chassis that they came with. And obviously it broke before. But I just did you'll see the video in between. I'll put this at the very end. I'm going to swap out with the metal. This is I knew that was going to happen. Anyways, it'll be real quick. Next time you see her, she'll have a silver nose. But, yep. Swappable parts, easy fix, $2 easy. First time here at our Honey Falls skate park. All right. And this is 3S. I'm not sure it's a good idea. Whoa. I'm not standing here. You're gonna hit me. Whoa! for it. You're gonna break it.
Oh my goodness! Did you get that?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out later, right? If you don't see it, don't punch it. Whoa. Oh, such a nice day. Whoa. Don't hit me. Oh. Oh. This thing flew like 50 feet.
That's actually pretty nice.
Yeah. I want you to do a backflip. Yeah. Whoa, that's more to backflip. Oh, that's more to... Flip. Oh, did it break?
No dive.
Did it break?
It had a metal front.
Yeah, but I seen a guy break one right here. It looks.
Oh.
Oh, we had our first casualty.
That's not that bad.
No, I got extras of those.
That's just one piece that broke.
It's the shocks. So I guess we're done for today. But I'll get it repaired today. Oh, it looks like the shock came undone. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. That's what I get for wanting to go big real quick.
Good thing you got another one coming.
I know, it'll just be here today or tomorrow. I need to be home when we get
Oh
there.
my God.
Well, we finally broke it. That's a good.
That freaking broke.
Well, not a good.
Don't.
I know. That was pretty high, so we'll do a recap on that. But we'll at least see if the WL parts, the 1.4s will fit on these, because they do use the same diffs, so we'll find out. We'll see you when we see you. Like and subscribe. Whoa, that's more to backflip. Oh.